I prove that you actually OC, because you see you're dressed like an ordinary person.
Yes.
I also need to be sure. How do I know? Do you have your ID?
Ordinary because person advising us, directing us. Who
now,
is
you how you're dressed and
they are guiding you on how you can.
As
a civilian, are you guiding us as a neighbor, as a civilian, a youngness? Who are you?
Who is guiding us with? For now, I will refer you to the ministry to clear you and copy the relevant authorities.
How are you supposed to be informed? Because now, this is the minister writing.
Listen. As per now, we are not. It's just my surprise. I'm just getting this from you that you are accessing the premises. We are supposed to be informed that there is a team coming for inspections at the site.
So who am I supposed to inform? The OC,
now the ministry,
DPC, the IGP?
The ministry has the procedures to write. You could have requested from the ministry actually.
When the ministry gets this,
director, they are
supposed to write to you, maybe. How do we know we are supposed to write to you? Who are we to write to you, or who are you for us to write to you?
You don't need to write to me.
Who needs to write?
You don't need to write to me.
Who needs to write?
I've directed you to the office where you're supposed to approach. Which
office again is that?
Still the same ministry you have been.
But we have written. This is the letter.
But you man, are you listening to yourself? Because now you're contradicting yourself, officer.
Let us respect each other.
No. But this is the letter.
Go and reorganize and you come.
Maybe, how do I prove that you actually OC? Because you see, you're dressed like an ordinary person.
Yes.
I also need to be sure. How do I know? Do you have your ID?
Ordinary because I have been.
Do you have your ID?
Do you have your ID? So that I know.
I have.
Let's take a look at it.
No, let's go to the office.
But now, if we arrest you, you know, I'm a lawyer, so as there's such a thing as citizen arrest. So as a citizen, I can say this person here is a masquerader.
Don't mind my dress code.
No, I need to be sure who you are.
Who is the person stopping us from entering?
Yeah, we need to know who that is.
The person advising us, directing us. Who is
you see how you're dressed and
they are guiding you on how you can. As a civilian, are you guiding us as a neighbor, as a civilian, a youngness? Who are you?
Who is guiding us?
What rank are you?
I'm an assistant superintendent.
So how do I know all of those things?
I've introduced myself.
So if I introduce myself and I say, my name is Joel Senyonyi, I'm the president of Uganda.
So you'll say...
So why aren't you saluting? Because you've said it's just a matter of introducing. I can call myself whatever I want.
Don't mind on my dress code.
No, we have to mind.
It's okay.
We have to mind.
It's okay.
You're telling
for other
us
reasons,
we get directions.
For other reasons,
from you.
I'm dressed like this. For other health reasons.
Because
health reasons?
Right?
Yeah.
Hey, the police uniform makes you sick.
No.
I've
been operated.
You've been operated?
Yeah.
So why are you working? You should be at home.
However, I've come to guide you on what to do. Please, let's respect each other. You go and reorganize.
There's
you come
nothing
back.
like respect or disrespect here. We just want to know who are you.
You get to know me.
Hey, you want to know you.
I've introduced myself to you.
We have also
introduced. You said your Sunday.
Your challenge was that I'm dressed in civilian. I've told you why I'm dressed like this.
But then you should have a card, an ID.
I have.
Let's take a look at
Bring it and we send.
Let's take a look so that I know. Because you see, I am a leader. You are also a leader in your capacity. You lead the group.
It's okay. Let me get for you the card.
Where is the card?
I have it.
In the car? Okay. Where is the car? Here?
It is there.
Okay, let's go. But this is mine, eh?
Yeah, this is yours.
So maybe let's go to the car. We see your ID.
You have got... No, I'm going to tell to get it.
Because firstly, I need to know who is this person addressing us.
I've already introduced myself.
And I'm saying, and you'll forgive me, but I don't believe you.
It is okay.
Until I see something.
I'll give you what you want. But
so then,
my point is, are we together now?
No, we are not together until we know who this person is.
Let's go, please. Let's go. And the honorable, we respect you.
You want to take me where?
No, the OC will come and find us here.
Vacate the place.
Yeah. You go and reorganize and come back.
So now you're talking as who you? When you're telling me to vacate this place, you're talking as who?
No, I've already introduced myself.
No, you bring your ID, your police card. You go and hurry. We are here. You hurry up and bring it. We are here. Because when you're telling me to vacate, as who? Because you cannot say, you cannot say I should vacate. You're telling me as who? This has come. And by the way, you'll forgive me for not believing you, but how do you expect me to believe you?
You have nothing on you.
Yeah.
You have no uniform.
I have everything.
You have no ID.
Let's see and then we can engage.
Madam, I've told you why I'm not put on it.
Why? I have not known. I don't
Yeah, so
know
you
why.
get us your ID
I
and
don't
then
know why you
we'll
don't
start.
have uniform on.
Yeah, we are waiting for your ID. DPC has come.
Yes, come.
So we are here struggling with a
Team of members of parliament come here and inspect this installation. This is an installation to which, as parliament, but now I find you're distracted. Should I continue or not? Eh? Maybe I charge away and then he comes back.
The DPC by the name of Kapunzire has just arrived.
Mr. Kapunzire. Okay, hey, Mr. Kapunzire.
Yes, come.
I thought I was still trying to engage you, sir. Good morning.
Yes, yeah.
You are coming.
Eh?
First,
You don't have microphone.
My name is Joel. Senyonyi. I'm a... Come again? Okay. So I'm a member of parliament. I also lead the opposition in parliament. Who are you, madam, besides the name?
I'm Namuto Salama, SP.
ASP. Okay, I don't know. You help me, I don't know. Are you the DPC? Are you the...
DPC Rubowa.
Don't interview me.
No, I'm just trying to work because I've introduced
Kajansi.
myself. So I wanted, you're DPC Kajansi. Okay, so we came here as part of our oversight role as members of parliament to inspect what's going on here, because as parliament we send money, billions of shillings every year to this project. So it's our duty and our mandate to inspect what is this money doing. So I wrote to the Minister for Health, because this is a project under the Ministry of Health. I wrote to the Minister for Health, and I had actually requested her to also be here to take us around. She wrote back saying she's unable to be here because she's in cabinet, but her mandate, please go ahead. And she even said, I wish you a successful tour. Signed, Dr. Jane Ruth Acheng, the Minister for Health. So we did come here, and there are some police officers in there who were saying, no, you don't have clearance. I said, what kind of clearance? This is a project under Ministry of Health. This is a letter by the Minister of Health. Your OC, well, someone who says he's an OC because he's dressed in ordinary clothes. He's not sure what he's saying. He's saying, I'm in ordinary uniform because I am sick. I said, if you're sick, why are you at work anyway? Show us your ID. So we didn't engage much with him because we don't even know if he's a masquerader. But it's good you have come. So we are here and we would like access to these premises to do our job as members of parliament.
For now, I will refer you to the ministry to clear you and copy the relevant authorities.
That's which ministry?
Ministry of Health, copied to other relevant authorities.
Which ones are funding officer?
Including Parliament itself.
Including Parliament?
we are the fine.
You are parliament.
Yes, you are, but we
Uh-huh.
need a clearance, a cleared document.
Cleared by who?
How can we prove at this moment that it is valid?
How are you able to prove that it is not valid?
We shall get the formal communication
From where?
upon its clearance.
Who is meant to clear?
From the Minister of Health.
But this is a letter signed by the Minister of Health.
Officer, are you obstructing Parliament from doing its work?
I've
That's
not
the
come
statement
to
we want you
argue
to
for that.
clear. Are you obstructing
And we are also
us
trying
as
to
Parliament
understand you.
of Uganda from doing our work?
I only need a clearance
Uh-huh.
from all authorities.
Has it been the normal?
Maybe.
We've been to UNRWA. We never got your clearance. This is parliament. This is not anybody else in
And parliament is one that sends money here. That's
This
why
is
we are
parliament.
here. So we are not intruders.
We've been in all agencies and
So,
we've
anyway,
never gotten clearance from
away
DPC.
from that.
Are you obstructing us?
You're saying you need authorization, whatever that is, from the Ministry of Health. Maybe let me read for you. Let me read for you. Allow me to read for you.
First wait.
Hey,
The
I found you asking for
Can we
clearance.
call the Minister of Health?
The clearance will be channeled from IGP to KMP, RPC, because you're VIPs.
And I see-
we have
hey.
to ensure you're safe.
Now,
Who has
if
said we are not
this, is,
safe?
if this is not in your line of duty, can we take it that you're obstructing us from doing the work? If it's not in your line of
I
duty,
need a
that you will obstruct.
Doctor, let me first read. Officer, just give me a minute.
do you need?
Let me read to you this letter.
Which clearance? From
Just
whom?
Honorable Nabagala, respect you.
I think it's Nabaga. Okay, so this is a headed paper. Let me read to you, officer. Office of the Minister of Health, PO Box that, 22nd February 2024. She writes, Right Honorable Joel Senyonyi, Leader of the Opposition, Office of the Leader of the Opposition, Parliament of Uganda, Kampala. Oversight tour of Luwa Specialized Hospital. Reference is made to your letter dated 20th January 2024, which I received today, 22nd February 2024, inviting me to take around the honorable members of Shadow Cabinet and MPs during the oversight tour of Luwa Specialized Hospital, scheduled for Monday, 26th February 2024, which is today. I wish to thank you for inviting me for this important tour. However, as you may be aware, Mondays are cabinet days, and therefore, I will not be able to join you on that date. The purpose of this letter, therefore, is to register apologies for my absence and my colleague state ministers. I wish you a successful tour. Yours sincerely, Dr. Acheng Jane Ruth Ochero, the Minister for Health. So, are you uncopied to the Minister of State for Health, Permanent Secretary, Director General Health Services? Are you disputing that this letter is not valid, or are you saying this is not enough, there is something more you need?
The other authorities. Did they acknowledge the receipt of the copies?
But so Afande is asking, did she acknowledge receipt of the copy? Reference is made to your letter dated 20th January 2024. That's the opening, which I received today, 22nd February. She's coming back. We shall wait for her.
Still waiting.
weewala abafere leka nkwanjuli Ham Connect UG ye kampani egenda okufunira omulimu ebweru w'eggwanga. Tulina emirimu egy'abawala n'abalenzi mu mawanga nga Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Bahrain, Qatar n'amawanga amalala mangi. Wano ku Ham Connect UG tutunda n'okugula emmotoka ssaako ne airport taxi. Gwe omwana ow'obuwala olina passport oba tolina, jangu ku ofiisi zaffe. Ham Connect UG emirimu gy'abalenzi nagyo tugirina nga ba security guards, ba cleaner, ba housekeeper. Gwe ayagala okumanya ebisingawo tusange ku FB Tower Building ewa Bakuli room number C03 oba tukubire ku namba z'essimu zino noti 75579386 ne noti 7551559193. Ffe aba Ham Connect UG tutuukiriza ekirooto kyo.
Tekyabadaza ku Masaka Road, Chiwawo ku Mityana Road, Busunjo, Baka, Mende Kohima Road, Bombo Road, Gayaza Busiika, Gayaza Kayunga n'okwetulula Mukono yonna saako mu bitundu bya Uganda ebyenjawulo. Basoloza amayumba g'abapangisa era nga bazimba n'okuwa pulaani z'amayumba. Senjale bebokka abakulaakulanya omuntu wa wansi n'okumuzzaamu essuubi.
Gwe omuzadde eyeetaze essomero erigenda okubangulira omwana wo nga muyeeya mukozi ate ayite ne first grade katukwanjulire Shehan Standard Day and Boarding Primary School abagenda okuteeka ebyensoma by'omwana wo ku mutendera ogusingira ddala. Empisa, eddiini, ebyemizannyo n'obuyiiya bwonna tubikulembereza ddala ng'ate ebyokulya n'ebyensula bya mulembe ddala. Tulira n'entambula eri abayizi abaviira ewala. Gwe ate omuzadde eyandiyagadde omwana wo okuyita ne first grade totunula obulala wonna okwewandiisa kugendera ddala maaso okuva ku nursery paka ku kibiina ekyomusanvu. Day ne boarding ng'ate n'ebisale birungi ate bisobokera ddala. Jjukira nti requirements zonna omwana wo azisanga ku ssomero. Tusangibwa Lubaga mu Bulwa Zone okuliraana 24/7 motel. Gwe ayagala okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku noti 7737 73 59 noti 757 noti 626 96. Shehan Standard Primary School, we invest in education.